everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's just me, Cheryl. So this is the first DIY project that I've kind of done on my channel, so I'm a little bit excited, you know, as you do. Basically, I have this cardigan that I've had for years, this whitey cream kind of cardigan. I absolutely love it, I adore it. I got it in New Look years ago. I think I got it when I was pregnant with my second child, so he's like nearly 4, so I've had it like over 4 years. It is a beautiful, fluffy, it's just, I don't know if you can see, it's just a lovely fabric. What is it? What does it say? Majority of it, 72% of it is nylon and it's 28% acrylic. But it's like this just lovely fluffy knitted cardigan in this cream colour. But I don't know if you can see. Can you see that big dirty orange line? Like a yellowy orange line on it. There. Well, the old flat that I used to live in, we used to have storage radiators, and the cardigan was on the clothes horse and it was really close to storage radiator. To be honest, I'm surprised it never set fire at the house. It's left a burn mark on the cardi. I mean, it gets worse there, and I was absolutely devastated. Like, I absolutely loved it. It's so comfy. You can't really see very well. It's just, oh, it's just lush. Like, I absolutely love this cardigan, like I've said millions of times, but it got ruined and I just couldn't bear to part with it. So I thought I'm gonna dye it. Thought about different colours. I thought, should I do like blue, should I do black? But I really wanted, and not because of my hair, but I really wanted to do a burnt orange. I did change my mind, and then I was gonna dye it red, and I actually bought the red dye. But then I just thought, I just really want a burnt orange cardigan. I just really want a burnt orange cardigan. So the first dye that I had bought was just a Dylon tulip red dye. These cost about £3. I think I bought this one from Wilko's ages ago, and it's just a fabric dye. And this one's like a hand wash one, so you don't put this in the washing machine. But then I was in Hobbycraft and I was trying to look for, you know, like a rustic kind of orange, burnt orange. And I couldn't find one. So I bought another Dylon dye, and I bought this in goldfish orange. Now the theory is that I'm going to do goldfish orange, but I'm going to add some tulip red to it and hopefully make some sort of a burnt orange. I don't know, I might do like 75% orange, 25% red, mix it together. Or let's just read the instructions for a minute. So it says wear dry fabric. Well, I'm not going to do that because it's just one cardigan, isn't it? Like, I'm not going to do that. Wash thoroughly, leave damp. Using rubber gloves, dissolve dye in 500 ml of warm water. Fill bowl or a stainless steel sink. So I've got a stainless steel sink, so I'll just whack it in there. Stainless steel sink with approximately 6 litres of warm water, so about 40 degrees. Stir in 250 grams, which works out at around about 10 tablespoons of salt, and then add dye and stir well. So you just mix them together. Then you submerge the fabric into the water, stir for 15 minutes, then stir regularly for 45 minutes. Rinse fabric in cold water, wash in warm water, which if it's warm water, again, I'll probably just stick it on a 40-degree wash. I thought 30, but I might just whack it on a 40 if it says warm water. So yeah, wash in warm water and dry away from direct heat and sunlight. So I'll just stick it on a clothes horse and let it air dry out of the way. It's got helpful hints. So it says you'll need 250 grams of ordinary salt, which I've already got. 1 pack of dye. 1 pack dyes up to 250 grams of fabric, which is approximately like a shirt. So that should be fine. Like, I think it should be fine. It dyes the fabric to a full shade, or larger amounts of fabric, it'll dye it to a lighter shade. Suitable fabrics, this is where things might change. So suitable fabrics are cotton, linen and viscose. I'm sure I said viscose before. didn't. It's nylon and acrylic, not viscose. So anyways, suitable fabrics are cotton, linen and viscose. Lighter shades will be achieved on wool, silk, polyester, cotton and polyester or viscose mixes. This cardigan is not made of those fabrics. Not suitable for pure polyester, acrylic, nylon and fabric with special finishes. Okay, so this is 72% nylon and 28% acrylic. Could be a really stupid idea actually, like maybe just a waste of money, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Like, gotta try, haven't you? So just keep watching. We're gonna make this cardigan absolutely stunning. I have faith that this is gonna work. If it doesn't, then I don't know, I'll have to find some other project for it because I can't get rid of it. Cardigan is now just soaking in the dye. I don't have high hopes for this project. I don't think it's going to work. I think because it's not the right... What was that? Anyways, I just don't think it's going to work. What the hell? Yeah, I just don't think it's going to work. I've chucked in some baby vests as well, some old ones that don't fit Eddie anymore. I've got some little pumpkins that I want to make, you know, like fabric pumpkins, so I thought I'd just stick them in and see what colour they come out basically. Leave that 45 minutes and fingers crossed. The instructions were just talking rubbish, but I don't think they were talking rubbish. I think they're actually quite serious when they say do not use this fabric. Hi, I'm back and I finished dyeing my cardigan. I'm going to say that this little DIY project was a bit of a fail. And I'll show you. So I was going for like a bit of a burnt orange kind of look. And yeah, we didn't get burnt orange. Pink. It's just not the colour that I had in my mind. But as I did say earlier in the video, that when I was reading the instructions, it's not, the Dylon dye is not suitable for this fabric, which was, I think it was acrylic and nylon. Yeah, it was like 72% nylon and 28% acrylic, so it really wasn't suitable for this fabric. So I'm surprised it actually took at all. When it was in the sink and it was in the process of dyeing and I did keep stirring it, I could just tell that the colour just wasn't going to take. But that's fine, you know, like I was kind of half expecting it after I read the instructions. And obviously, I don't know if you noticed before, but the big burn that I had from the storage radiator at my previous place, it hasn't died on that burn. So I don't think any colour that I would have put on this, it would have dyed over. So I'm a bit devastated, but I will find something else to do with this. I will. I did stir it, you know, at first after 15 minutes, and then I stirred it later again after 45 minutes of it being soaked in the dye, and then I fell asleep and I left it overnight. I fell asleep on the sofa. So yeah, the next day I then had to rinse it with cold water, pop it in the washing machine. So I think it did go a little bit patchy as well. Some places are a little bit darker than others. At the same time as putting the cardigan in the dye, I also had some old baby vests. And as you can see, because I didn't stir it, I stirred it like twice and then I fell asleep. They've went all patchy. And probably because on the instructions for these like little packets of dyes, it does say that they're suitable for a shirt. Well, that's a cardigan, and I added 3 baby vests in, so maybe there just wasn't enough dye like circulating in the water. I don't know. I'm thinking if I'm ever going to dye anything again, because just because of the way I am, I'm probably better off buying those ones that you chuck in the washing machine. A little bit more expensive, but you get a little bit more product, and at least I know it's going to dye everything evenly. I think it's something to do for the cardigan. It won't go to waste, you know. I will think of something. But these look good as a little pumpkin. I mean, that's just so cute. Little bit of a DIY feel, but I've not lost hope in salvaging my lovely cardigan. I hope you like this video. I hope it's been helpful to some people who are thinking about upcycling anything, because it went wrong for me, so hopefully it won't go wrong for you. You'll learn from my mistakes. Like I said, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.